So you may be wondering, what is cast iron seasoning anyway? Welcome to Seasoning 101. I'm gonna teach you the ways to season your cast iron cookware, including when and how to do it. Let's go for a ride. Hi, I'm Chef Kris, the Culinary Manager at Lodge Cast Iron. Before stepping into this role, I helped design Lodge's very first product test kitchen. Then I ran it for nearly a decade. These days, my team and I spend our time cooking, testing, and teaching people all about cast iron cookware. Let's talk about the science behind the seasoning. When fats or oils are heated in cast iron, something pretty cool happens. They transform from a liquid into a hardened surface through a process called polymerization. That's just a fancy way of saying that the oil bonds to your pan to create a layer of seasoning. The surface of your Lodge cast iron cookware is made with just the right texture so your seasoning has something to hold on to. Over time, as more layers build up, they fill in that texture, creating a smooth, naturally non-stick cooking surface that'll last for generations. If you think your seasoning doesn't look perfect, that is A-okay. Phew! Cast iron is built to last a lifetime, so it's only natural for the seasoning on your cookware to change over time. The more you cook, the stronger that seasoning gets. After cooking something acidic or dealing with a stuck-on mess, you might see that your seasoning has faded a bit, and that's okay. Cast iron is tough. Your skillet isn't ruined. You can easily rebuild that seasoning at home just by cooking something delicious. Let's talk seasoning versus maintenance. Let me clear something up. Applying oil to your cookware after you clean and dry it is maintenance, not seasoning. That light coat of oil helps protect your cookware from ambient moisture, which prevents rust. The act of seasoning takes that simple process one step further. By adding heat, we bond that layer of oil to the cookware. So, maintenance is rubbing a little oil on your cookware after cleaning. Seasoning is rubbing a little oil on your cookware and then heating it to lock it in. Got it? Every time you cook in your cast iron, you're building up your seasoning. You can also season your cookware in the oven, but since all Lodge cast iron cookware comes pre-seasoned and ready to use, you may never have to. But sometimes you might need to re-season your pan, like if it gets rusty or if seasoning fades from cooking with highly acidic ingredients or having to scrub off a burn-on mess. But if that happens, don't worry about a thing. Re-seasoning is easy to do at home and your skillet will be back in business in no time. Now let's talk about how to actually season your cast iron skillet. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is wash your skillet with warm soapy water. Next, dry your cookware thoroughly with a paper towel or lint-free cloth. Now apply a very thin layer of cooking oil to the surface of your skillet, inside and out, handles and all. Go easy on the oil, not enough to drip or run when you tilt it. Okay, now for the easy part. Bake it in the oven for an hour. Preheat your oven to at least 450 degrees. I like 500. So our oven's hot. Now all we need to do is wipe our skillet out with a very thin layer of oil. That layer of oil is gonna be so thin, you're barely even gonna see it. I'm gonna place it upside down in the oven and bake it for 1 hour and then let it cool in the oven. This allows the seasoning to further bond to the iron. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you wanna learn more about cast iron, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from the Lodge Kitchen. Love you, bye.